Hello, we're going to cover the if statement this time. What we're going to do is determine whether or not the individual salesperson gets a bonus for a given month. What we're looking at is a threshold of $10,000 for a bonus. If they sell at least $10,000, they will receive a $500 bonus. Otherwise, they will not get a bonus. I also will add an if statement over here, providing a comment. If they get a bonus, we'll say it's a good job. Otherwise, start getting your resume updated. So let's go and get started. The way the if statement works, let me go ahead and pull this on up. I'm going to do insert function. Notice I'm on the cell where I want the function to be. And I'm going to go to logic, because I know that the if statement's underneath the logical category. So I'll do OK. And notice it has three parts to it. You'll have a logical test. The logical test will be comparing two different cells per se, whether or not they're equal, less than, greater than, any kind of logical comparison. You have one of two answers. If the logical test is true, you'll return this value, which you'll show as a calculation perhaps, or a cell reference. If the logical test is not true, you'll return the other value, which will be false. So if you think about this, this is from perhaps some old programming days that maybe some of you had, which is an if, then, else type combination. So the logical test in this case, we're going to be looking at monthly sales. The monthly sales, if they are greater than or equal to $10,000, I'm going to absolute the $10,000 because I will keep referring to the $10,000 over and over. If the value is true, they'll get $500. And I will absolute that also. If it's false, I'm going to just simply refer to a blank cell. I could have left it blank completely, but I'll refer to a blank cell, which is just as good as 0. Notice the 0 over here. And notice the formula result is already $500 because the logical test is true. We'll do OK. And now again, like I've done in previous tutorials, if I get to the data fill and double click, it'll go all the way down to the end of the filled in data. Notice Andrew does not get a bonus because he sold less than $10,000. So you can see if we have 1,000 salespeople, you don't want to go down and enter in every salesperson's bonus individually. Let Excel do this for you. Let's go do a bonus comment now. We'll do a similar situation. Gives you some repetition here. I'm going to go to the if statement. Do OK. Again, I'm going to be looking at the monthly sales greater than or equal to the $10,000. Absolute it by pressing the F4 key. If it's true, it'll be good job. Absoluted. If it's false, it'll start getting your resume updated. Again, F4. Do OK. Double click. And again, it all works perfectly, as we can see. So I hope this provides you with some familiarity of if statements. They get a lot more complicated when you get into the nested if statements, where you can have more than one if statement in a formula. So at least this is a good introduction that hopefully will get you up and going on if statements. Good luck.